Hi guys, just to add on this pastor thing, Upastor Owagamhlanga is Sunny City. That's where he had his church. The name of the church is called Good Shepherd Church. And yeah, to the victims, guys, I know that you're going to be shy, that people are going to be laughing and everything like that. If this can be done confidentially, in terms of coming out and speaking about this, I think, because you're like kids and stuff like that, and other kids can be very, very mean, Bafetu. And yeah, the community guys, ish, Bafetu Nazi, let's also grow up. You understand? Let's also grow up. And this was not a good thing. This is not a funny thing, because I know there will be people who will be teasing the victims about this. And yeah, man, ngiyacela Bafetu, let's just grow up and work together in terms of putting criminals behind bars, and let's clean the streets, eh? So yeah.